guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. My name is Dimpy, and as you can see, today's video is going to be an unboxing video. So I have a package right here from Michael Kors. It's a big package, and Michael Kors is actually having a sale, and I think they're having 25% off, and it's been going on for the past 2 weeks, I believe. So obviously I had to order something for myself, and this is what I ordered. It's a fairly big bag. I think you guys can tell it's a big box, and I'm very excited. I've not really seen this bag in person before, so I'm excited to be unboxing it with you guys. And what's different this time is that I ordered their gift packaging. So here is what their gift packaging looks like. Obviously the box is upside down, but I'll show you a little bit later. Like, I'll take it out of the box and show you. But really briefly, this is their gift packaging, and I obviously bought this as a gift for myself, so I had to get their gift packaging. It was complimentary, and I love their gift packaging. I think I have shown their gift packaging on my channel before, but yeah, I just really love it. I think it reminds me of Louis Vuitton packaging. It's a nice box, nice magnetic box. I'm going to show you a little later. But yeah, if you're interested in seeing what bag I got, then definitely keep on watching. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my future amazing unboxing videos that I have planned for you guys. And now, without further ado, let's just jump into unboxing this bag right away. So I got the box out of the bigger box, and it was definitely a struggle because it was nicely packed inside of a bigger box. But that's what it looks like basically. This is their gift packaging, and usually they do give me a bow that goes on top of this box, and this time they didn't. Not a big deal. But basically this is how you open the box. It is a magnetic box like I was mentioning earlier, and that is what it looks like on the inside. And here I have my written label, and then I also have a little note. So that's what the note says. I think it says lots of love and best wishes. So obviously I wrote this note to myself, and yeah, since I was gifting this to myself, I thought I'll just write a little note. I don't know if anybody else does it. I don't know if it's silly, but I obviously did that this time. But basically that's what the bag looks like. It's nicely wrapped in a tissue paper, which I really like. Just getting the bag out of the box, and here is the empty box. Okay, so here is the bag, and it's wrapped in tissue paper, but it's only sealed from the front here. I think the back is like tissue is loose. So here is the bag that I ordered, you guys. This is their tote, and I'm gonna just lay the tissue papers on the floor. But this is basically their East-West tote. I think it's called East-West Travel Tote in a large size. I'll leave the name of it up here on the screen. But this is the bag, and I don't think I have seen it in person before this. This is in their light pink color, and I'll just quickly remove all the extra packaging that's on it so that we could have a good look at the bag. Now I think now we can totally and clearly see the gorgeous color. So it's a very nice light, very light pink color. It is called light pink color anyways, with gold hardware, and I'll bring it up close so you guys can see it. So here's the bag up close. As you can see, it's in this gorgeous pink color. It's a very pale pink color, and it does say Michael Kors up in the front here, and it has a really nice charm here. This is the side. Here's the back, and I still got some like paper stuck to it, which I'll remove later. But this is basically the back, and then here is the bottom with 4 feet. here is the inside of the bag. As you can see, it's very, very roomy. So at the back here, we have one zipper pocket, a big one, and then two slip pockets right over here. And then here is the other side. So the other side has three slip pockets over here. And then the middle compartment obviously has a big divider. Not a divider, but like a zippered section in the middle. So that's what that looks like. It's a very nice, thick, padded kind of middle section. The only thing is I did not see a dust bag coming out of this bag at all. No dust bag for me this time, I guess. I don't know why, but usually it's inside of the bag. And the way this bag was so nicely wrapped, I thought nobody has ever opened it or had a chance to look at it. So it does look new, but I'm not sure why it does not have any dust bag or anything like that. I do see this one mark over here. I'll bring it up closer for you guys can see it. The camera picks it up, but I do see this one mark over here. Now, I don't know if this was already there when I unboxed or if it is from my nails. I think it is probably from my nails because it looks like the color of my nails. But anyway, this is basically the bag in the nutshell. I honestly can't believe I just unboxed this bag and I already got a mark on it, assuming that it happened from my nails. I guess that's one of the perks of using a very, very light colored bag, that it's gonna get dirty very, very soon. So I guess that's okay. I got a good price on this bag. I forgot to mention earlier, but this bag was like 89 something US dollars plus taxes. So it was less than $100 including taxes, which I think is an awesome price for this bag. I don't know if it's still available. If it is, I'll definitely leave a link to it. So do check description box down below if you're interested in purchasing this. But this bag is really not new. I think it's been around for a really long time. I've seen several of the videos on YouTube as well about this bag. So it's not new. I think they were just trying to get rid of any last ones that they had left. And I guess I got one of the last ones, and I kind of do like the bag. I'll definitely be inserting some mod shots, so stay with me till the end. I'll try the bag on, see how it is for me. But so far, I do really like it, and especially for the price that I paid for this bag, I think it was an amazing deal. I love it, and obviously I love the gift packaging. It's always a plus. And with that, it really does it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Like I said, stay tuned for upcoming mod shots. I'm 5'5", and I would love to show you what this bag looks like on my body frame. So definitely stay tuned for that. Like this video, subscribe down below. I would very much appreciate that. I'll see you guys now in my next video very soon. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye.